Welcome to our video where we'll compare the two top-tier processors on the market, AMD Ryzen 7 5800X and Intel Core i7-12700KF. In this video, we'll compare these two processors in multiple categories, including performance, features, and price, and help you decide which one is right for you. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your opinion, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest reviews. When it comes to performance, AMD Ryzen 7 5800X has an edge over Intel Core i7-12700KF. With its 8 cores and 16 processing threads, it can deliver outstanding performance, especially in gaming. On the other hand, Intel Core i7-12700KF operates at a lower frequency with a max clock speed of 4.9 GHz. The Ryzen 7 5800X comes out on top in this category. The Ryzen 7 5800X and Core i7-12700KF both offer unique features. While Ryzen 7 5800X doesn't have an onboard graphics card, it has PCIe 4.0 support for advanced hardware. On the other hand, Core i7-12700KF's LGA 1700 socket allows for easy placement on motherboards without soldering. However, Ryzen 7 5800X's unlocked for overclocking feature gives it an extra edge in this category. When it comes to price, the Ryzen 7 5800X is the more affordable option, costing only $211, while the Core i7-12700KF costs $276. With AMD's cheaper price, it is a good fit for budget gamers and those who want to build a new PC without spending a fortune. So there you have it. We hope our comparison between AMD Ryzen 7 5800X and Intel Core i7-12700KF has helped you in making an informed decision. Based on our analysis, Ryzen 7 5800X emerged as the winner, but it all comes down to your needs and budget. Let us know which one would you prefer in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews.